I've been using this digital air gauge for 3 years now. If you've seen in my last video, it quit working. Like I said, I've been using this digital air gauge for 3 years. It died in my last video that I was doing. It worked good on a warm day the day before, but when it got cold and rainy and outside,
this plate's messed up.
It quit working. So I'm gonna bring you in close, and we're gonna tackle this and see what I do. So this is the air gauge I've been using for 3 years. It's the digital, the display quit working, so it's probably the batteries. Now you notice that this one doesn't have a door to change out the batteries. And that comes a problem when I was out there. It was cold, it was raining. That's why I went and got a mechanical and finished the job on the site. And you got to take out these screws. So we're going to take this apart right here. See how small those screws are? I would have lost those screws in the gravel. Been out there and it was cold. I would not want to be out there changing this out in the rain. And look at that. This thing takes one of these batteries and 3 of those batteries. That is crazy. So which one works to display? I don't have enough batteries for this. The freaking button fell out. Alright, stay right there. Well, I don't know if this just does the blue light or if it's... This looks like the wire... Okay, this red wire goes to this one. I'm going to say these 3. I have these 3. We're going to change those 3 out and see what we get. Put them right there. Keep the button there. Grab 3 batteries. There's no way I'm going to sit out there and change this stuff out while it's raining. So look, no display. That other battery's got to be all batteries. I'm going to have to buy brand new batteries. You can't trust when you buy these batteries that are good by the time you get to use them again. Let's put this back together. I will buy more batteries and do this another pack now that I know what it needs. 2 different types of batteries. Alright, back together. So we broke this down. It takes 4 batteries, 2 different types. There's no panel on the back. You got to take these little bitty screws out. There is no way I'm going to be able to do this when it goes dead when I'm out in the field or at a campsite or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and put batteries in this. I'm going to buy some all new batteries, put it in this. I'm going to put it in the garage. So I went to Amazon. I bought this one. I'm not saying this is the best one. I haven't tried it yet. We're fixing to open it up. It takes 2 double AAA. 2 AAA batteries. So we're going to open this. We're going to review the box and everything, and then we're going to, if this looks good, I'm going to add it to my gear that I take with my camper. Okay, this is what I bought. It's an ETENWOLF tire gauge, the T300. Like I said, it takes 2 AAA batteries. Comes with a little manual, a little protective sheet to carry it. So we're going to open this up and see what we got inside of it. Got it off of Amazon. Alright. Got any tape around it? No, looks like it's coming apart. Yep, there goes all that. What's this little sheet, protective sheet? User manual. Who needs a user manual? Need the one for the batteries, so the batteries go in the bottom. How to install the batteries. Okay. Let's see if you can see. That's what it's telling me to do. Now if I do it right. And we have this. And it even comes with your first pack of batteries. Awesome. Put everything to the side. So let's get a screwdriver and open the batteries. Okay. Almost dropped it. Throw the trash over there. Lay our batteries down. Now let's see. Hope I read this right. Oh, look at that. Is that? Oh, look, we got a valve in here. I have to read up on that for different. Comes with a valve, spare valve down in the bottom for other devices. I think what's on here is good to just check tires. But, alright. I hope I don't have to have the manual every time. I need something to... Short one is negative, long one is positive. Okay. So... Positive. There they are. It's written right there. I don't know if you can see it. Will the camera even adjust that small? There's a little positive and a little negative right here. So positive there, negative there. So is it this way? Clicks in. Whoa. Look at that, how bright that is. If that stays bright like that for 3 years or better, I can see that. That's better than that baby blue glow light. And how easy it is to change the batteries out of this. You just pinch and pull it out and you change the batteries. And slide it in. Push the button. It comes on. Even has a light to shine on at nighttime when you can put it on. Next thing is to do is, so I'll set on PSIs. Let's see. Yes, just keep pushing the button. It'll change PSIs. Bar. PSIs. PSIs where I need it. That's what I read. So, I'm going to give this a try to replace the other one. That way, if it goes dead, I'll just... Look, if I couldn't even find batteries, I can take them out of the remote to the TV, put them in, use it, and then put them back in the remote. The other is a complete disassemble. I think I like this a lot better. I'm not saying this is the best one. It had some good stars on there, so I was just trying it. So this is the one I'm going to give it a try. Just went on Amazon, I did a little search for a little while, see what other people had, and finally I just gave in, and this is what I bought, and this is what I'm going to try for a while. As always, we got to test it out once, so we're going to test it out on the truck tire. It's easier to get to. So Pull the valve stem cover. Lay it up here so I don't lose it. Push the button. Turn it on. PSIs. Push. 82. Let's see if you can see that. I hope you can see it. Sun's in my eye. And there we have it. I can read it plain. Don't know if the camera can. So that looks good. Let's move along. So in that last video, when this digital tire pressure gauge failed on me and I had to go get a mechanical one. Oh, we'll post that whoops, right there. Somewhere in this area up here, we'll post where that video was. You can go watch it. There you have it. I should have listened to some other RVers. Buy one that changes with your AAA batteries, so you change out the batteries from your remote and easy access. So I'm going to put this one in the garage. This one goes with the truck and the camper. So it'll be easier to change the batteries out, even steal them from the remote if I need to. Thank y'all for watching. Oh, please hit the like button down at the bottom to help me out a little bit. And if you would like to, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.